In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a landing page or form in Kit. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log into your account all the way to publishing your changes so they go live on your site. By the end, you'll feel comfortable making quick edits to both the content and the behavior of your pages and forms. First, from your main dashboard, look for the Grow section in your navigation. This is where all of your audience building tools live. Go ahead and click on Grow, and from the drop-down or sidebar, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This takes you to a list of all the landing pages and forms you've already created. Next, find the specific page or form you want to update. You might see a list with names like Newsletter Sign Up, Course Waitlist, or similar. Click directly on the name of the page or form you want to change. That will open up the visual editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a preview of your landing page or form. To change any text or images, you don't need to hunt through complicated menus. Just click directly on the element you want to edit. For example, click on a headline to adjust the wording, or click on a text block to rewrite your description. If you see an image you want to replace, click on that image to upload a new file or choose a different image from your library. Take your time here to make sure your copy is clear and your visuals match your brand. Now, beyond just how the page looks, you might also want to change how it behaves. For that, head up to the top menu in the editor and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll be able to adjust important options like the incentive email or the redirect URL. The incentive email is the message people receive after they sign up, often used to deliver a free download or confirm their subscription. The redirect URL controls where visitors are sent after they submit the form, such as a thank you page or a custom confirmation page. Make sure these match the experience you want your visitors to have. When you're happy with your edits, you're not done until you save and publish. Click Save to store your changes in the editor. Then, click Publish to push those changes live so visitors see the updated version. If you only save and forget to publish, your audience will still see the old version, so always double-check that final step. And that's it. You've edited your landing page or form in Kit, updated both its content and behavior, and published it so it's live for your audience.